Well, hey guys, if you're tired of worrying with little batteries for all your electronics, just wire you in a AC to DC power supply and your worries are over. I'll show you how you do it. Well, this is what I have right here. It's just one of these little magnetic operated door switches, and it can work an alarm or a buzzer or anything like that. And the magnet has to be so close to it, and the movement of the magnet will either turn it on or turn it off. So what it uses in here is this little 12-volt battery. These are good little batteries, but they just don't last very long. And I don't know, probably every 2-3 months you would really need to replace this if you want it to operate correctly. So what I've opted to do is to use one of these plug-in power supplies. And nearly all of these power supplies, you can look on the label and it'll indicate which side is power and which side is ground. So what I did is, when I cut this plug off, I'll use my multimeter and I'll just, you know, stick one end there. So I'm touching that wire. You can tell it's nothing. But if I touch this wire, you can tell that that is the wire that goes to the center pin, and that's the positive wire. So what I do is I just follow that according to the wire leading to the power supply, and that way I'm easily able to determine which one's the positive and which one's the negative. Well, what I've done is I've drilled a small hole and ran my wire through there, and then soldered the positive wire to the positive terminal and the negative wire to the negative terminal. And so that's all set up. And what I'll do is I'll make sure that the back fits on there. And that looks good. And I'll plug my power supply in. Well, we have it mounted up there now, and we now have our 110 12-volt inverter power supply hooked up. And I believe you can see the little red flash, and that indicates that it's operating properly. So anyway guys, if you want to end the worries of batteries going dead and tired of having to check them all the time, just hook you up a AC to DC power adapter, whatever voltage you need on any kind of little apparatus that you have that runs on battery power, and your worries are over. So anyway, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop. Y'all have a great week. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here. Little object. Let me rethink that.